Honorable Esther Moin Janje, Honorable Deputy Minister for Health, Mr. Penda Nanda, ED Mirko, senior officials, dear colleagues from media. The arrival of 30,000 Covishield, which are the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccines, doses from India today marks an important milestone in the historically close and friendly ties between India and Namibia. And I think we are particularly blessed by these welcoming rains today, and I think that's a very auspicious symbol. Our two nations have already stood together in difficult times, and we are hopeful that these vaccine doses will boost our common fight against this pandemic, which is the most serious challenge of our times. These Covishield, which are the Oxford AstraZeneca doses, have been produced by the Serum Institute of India, which is the largest producer of vaccines in the world, making up to 1.5 billion doses every year. It is estimated that 2 out of 3 children in the world have received Serum's vaccine shots, which will include your children and mine too. So I just wanted to say that Serum's vaccines have been coming to Namibia in the past and have been available here. These Oxford AstraZeneca Covishield vaccines have already received WHO's approval in the form of emergency use listing on 15th February earlier this year itself. As distinguished guests may be aware, India, the pharmacy of the world, is also the global hub for vaccine manufacturing. 60% of all vaccines in the world, nearly 1.5 billion doses, are supplied by India to more than 150 countries every year. In fact, WHO sources 70% of its vaccines from India. Our Prime Minister has clearly committed that India's vaccine production and delivery capacity would be utilized for the global good. We will share what we have got in the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means that the whole world is one family. In keeping with that spirit, and given the special place that Namibians have in the hearts of Indians, in our hearts, it was on 8th February that we had offered the Covishield vaccines to Namibia. We had also promised to the esteemed health ministry here that the vaccines would reach here within 7 to 10 days of receiving your authorizations. When we received these authorizations on 12th of March, we dispatched these vaccines from India on the 6th day, which is 18th of March itself. I'm happy to note that we have therefore fulfilled our promise today. May I thank sincerely Honorable Deputy Prime Minister Anne Mirko for her support and facilitation. In parallel, India has continued to provide COVID-19 vaccines across the world, 73 countries so far and counting, including 25 partner countries in Africa. Altogether, nearly 60 million doses have been provided as gifts on commercial basis or under the COVAX facility. I may add that even for COVAX, Serum Institute of India has committed nearly 200 million doses to COVAX, and I'm happy to note that about all vaccines to Africa so far under COVAX have been supplied from Serum Institute of India. Though of course supply schedules and logistics are coordinated directly by COVAX with recipient countries. May I also mention that we have supplied these doses while undertaking our own COVID vaccination program, the largest in the world, or one of the largest in the world. In India, over 40 million people have already received COVID vaccination, and we have vaccinated up to 3 million people per day. That was 5 days ago. We are using both Covishield and India's own Covaxin, made by Bharat Biotech, which has also been supplied across the world to many countries. A number of other home-developed COVID-19 vaccines are under trial in India. We wish you all success in rolling out the vaccines which have arrived today, and we look forward to sharing experiences and lessons learned in our COVID-19 vaccination programs. Before I conclude, may I also convey to all of you and to Honorable Deputy Prime Minister and to Honorable Deputy Minister our heartfelt greetings for the Namibian Independence Day tomorrow. Thank you.